5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Mrs. Mary Zybeck, 402 Malden Court, Malden, USA. Dear Taxpayer, this letter is your legal notice that we have disallowed your claim. We can't allow your claim for a refund or credit for the periods shown above for the reasons listed below. We can't allow a claim for credit or refund if you file the claim more than 3 years after you filed the return, or 2 years after you pay the tax, whichever is later. A review of your account indicates that your tax was considered paid on April 3rd, 1998. The additional amounts collected were applied to the interest and penalties that were assessed on this account. We are sorry, since the tax was paid more than 2 years prior to your request for a refund. The statute for refund has expired. If you want to appeal our decision to disallow your claim, you must provide a brief written statement of the issues you don't agree with. The facts contained in the written statement should be detailed and complete, including names, amounts, locations, etc. You should include the following. 1. A statement that you want to appeal the disallowance. 2. Your name, address, and a telephone number where you can be reached during the day. 3. A statement of facts supporting your reasons for disputing the disallowance. 4. A statement outlining the law or other authority that supports your claim. You must declare that the statement of facts is true under penalty of perjury. You may do this by adding the following statement and signing it. Under penalty of perjury, I declare that the facts presented in my written appeal are, to the best of my knowledge and belief, true, correct, and complete. An attorney, certified public accountant, or person enrolled to practice before the Internal Revenue Service may represent you. To have someone represent you, attach Form 2848, Power of Attorney and Declaration of Representative or similar written authorization to your written statement. If your authorized representative prepares the written statement, he or she should include a declaration stating that he or she prepared the written statement and accompanying documents, and whether he or she knows personally that the protest and accompanying documents are true and correct. Please mail your request for an appeal to the address shown on this letter. If you want to sue to recover tax, penalties, or other amounts, you may file a lawsuit with the United States District Court having jurisdiction, or with the United States Court of Federal Claims. These courts are independent bodies and have no connection with the Internal Revenue Service. The law permits you to do this within 2 years from the mailing date of this letter. If you decide to appeal our decision first, the 2-year period still begins from the mailing date of this letter. However, if you sign an agreement that waived your right to the notice of disallowance, the period for filing a lawsuit began on the date you filed the waiver. If you have any questions, please call us at the IRS telephone number listed in your local directory. If you prefer, you may write to us at the address shown at the top of the first page of this letter. A copy of this letter and any referenced enclosures have been forwarded to your authorized representatives. Whenever you write, please include this letter and in the spaces below give us your telephone number with the hours we can reach you. Also, you may want to keep a copy of this letter for your records. Sincerely, yours, Arlen Howley.